Namaste, friends. This is Rohit Shah from Kismat Connection. I'm a Vastu, Astro Vastu, Numerology, Mobile Numerology, Switch Words, as well as visiting card and logo design consultant. Today, I'm going to cover a topic about how to use energy circles and switch words. There's a lots of confusions, or people don't know all the methods that one can use to use the energy circles or the switch words. So this is a small video, help to get more understanding about switch words and usage of switch words and energy circle. Now, switch words can be a sentence of 4 5 words or can be a number. And the ideal process is that you have to write on your left wrist. Why we write it on wrist is because you can feel the heart pulses here. So it keeps vibrating whatever you write here. So I have written here infinity symbol and then 911, uh, sorry, 19962114117. So I just want to check that. Uh, Similarly, you can also write the word like count now, wolf magic begin now. So there are thousands of different combinations for the different purposes. You can consult us for that. For any of challenges that you have, then we provide switch words or energy circle. Now coming to energy circle, so these are the energy circles. This is one of the design. This is for money attractions, client attractions, prosperity, abundance, and many more. So you can also design on the piece of paper. This is done it on the computer, so it's a high quality. One thing, if you are doing it at home, if you are making your own, then make sure whatever you write here does not touch the outer circle, this circle, so it should not touch the boundary. That's very important. And also usage of color is also important. I will cover that in another video some other day. So this is a 5 inch by 5 inch color laminated copy, and this is 3 by 3. This is the money tree energy circle. I have this in 3 by 3 inch, so that I carry in my shirt pocket as well as in my wallet, and I can keep it on my desk, and also in my bag. This 5 inch by 5 inch you can use the charging of this is like you can put the three finger here in the center. Make sure you don't touch any other part, just the center for 30 second or a minute, and that basically you get the energy of these switch words or the energy circles. The second method is you can put it under the pillow or under the mattress. That's the another thing you can do. uh, Third thing is charging water. So I put a glass water bottle here. So for I keep it whole day here, and I keep drinking water from this bottle only. This is a glass bottle. This is highly recommended that you only use the glass bottle. There are other people recommends different plastic or steel or copper, but I highly recommend that one use the glass bottle. So this is you putting it on the energy circle whole day, or you can have the घर पे जो मटका रहेगा, you can put it underneath the matka, so the whole family drinks the charged water. uh, then the another method I use is I have developed these stickers which I provide to my clients, and I have stick it on my water bottle, and daily I carry this to my office, and I drink water only from this bottle. I also have it on pasted on my water filter. I know it's a plastic one, but in a glass one is not available. So, the filter water comes the charged water. Uh, what else on this? Okay, so under the pillow, under the mattress, you can put it on your work desk. Important, you can stick it on wall as well. So if you can see on my video, under the TV, there are a few energy circles. These are 9 by 9 each on the fiber sheet. As I provide energy circles, high quality in the different form, like in printed form as well as printed on fiber sheet. So I have around thousands of different energy circle for different purpose: health, relationships, money, career related. So if you need any of those, then you can get in touch with me. What else? So these switch words, the numbers, you can write it here, as I said earlier, and also the words as well. If you want to balance the planets, then you have to use this mount of the planets. And so this is the Venus mount, this is the Mercury, then this is the Saturn. This is, I think, I'm not too sure, but Jupiter and Moon. So you can write the number on this mount. So, one way is that whenever, if you see like, okay, I have this mount is very low, so I can write to have the energy of this particular planet, I can write the particular number here. This is Rahu, the middle part. So generally it says that if it's deep, then there is a problem with the Rahu planet. So friends, this is quick on how to use energy circle. If you have any questions or want more clarification, please do get in touch with me. I'll be happy to respond to you. One important thing, if the energy circle gets tear off, then you have to burn it. Go to the gallery or on terrace and burn it off and blow the ashes into the air. Thank you very much, friends. This is Rohit Shah from Kismat Connection.